Welcome to Gadgets Ranker. Mechanical keyboards have changed a lot over the last few years. They're no longer just for gamers or keyboard enthusiasts. Now they're one of the biggest upgrades you can make for both work and gaming. But with so many options available in 2026, choosing the right one gets confusing fast. Some focus on speed, some focus on typing feel, and others try to balance both. So in this video, we're ranking the best mechanical keyboards of 2026 and helping you find the one that actually deserves a place on your desk. Number 5. Logitech MX Mechanical. If your setup is more focused on productivity than RGB and aggressive gaming looks, this keyboard is an easy recommendation. What makes it different is how comfortable and refined everything feels. The low-profile mechanical switches give you that satisfying mechanical feedback without being overly loud or tiring during long sessions. Typing feels quick and smooth, and because the keyboard sits lower, it becomes surprisingly comfortable for long hours of work. Wireless support is another big advantage here, especially if you switch between devices regularly. This isn't trying to be the flashiest keyboard, it's trying to be the one you actually enjoy using every day. Number 4. Asus ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless. This is where gaming performance and premium typing start coming together. The first thing that stands out is the layout. You still get most of the keys people want from a full-size keyboard while saving a noticeable amount of desk space. The typing experience feels much more refined than most gaming keyboards, and the switches feel smooth straight out of the box. Battery life is excellent for wireless use, and build quality gives it a premium feel that makes the keyboard feel more expensive than expected. For people who split time between gaming and normal daily use, this becomes a really balanced choice. Number 3. Wooting 80HE. This keyboard has become one of the most talked about options for people who care about performance. Instead of traditional switches, it uses Hall effect technology, which lets you adjust how sensitive the keys feel. That means movement in games can feel faster and more responsive, especially in competitive titles. But surprisingly, it's not only good for gaming. Build quality feels premium, typing remains satisfying, and the customization options make it feel much more personal than standard gaming keyboards. If performance matters more than looks, this keyboard earns its place. Number 2. Keychron Q1 Max. This feels like the point where mechanical keyboards start becoming addictive. The moment you start typing, you notice the difference. Everything feels more solid, smoother, and more refined. Build quality is excellent. Typing sound feels deeper and cleaner, and the customization options give you enough flexibility without becoming complicated. Wireless support makes everyday use easier, while hot swappable switches allow you to change the experience later without replacing the keyboard. For people who care about typing feel first and gaming second, this is one of the strongest options available. Number 1. Keychron V1 Ultra 8K. This keyboard takes the top spot because it gets the balance right. Typing feels premium. Gaming feels fast. Build quality feels solid. And nothing about the experience feels like a compromise. High responsiveness makes gaming feel great, while the typing experience remains satisfying enough for everyday use. The layout works well for most setups, and the customization options make it feel like something you can keep for years instead of replacing. If you only want to buy one mechanical keyboard in 2026, this is one of the safest choices. Final thoughts. Mechanical keyboards aren't just about faster gaming anymore. They change how your entire setup feels every single day. Whether you care more about sound, typing comfort, gaming performance, wireless convenience, or customization, there's finally something for almost everyone. The best keyboard isn't the most expensive one. It's the one that makes you enjoy sitting at your desk more every day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Gadgets Ranker for more videos.